अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम है इस्मत और आप देख रहे हैं टेक एंड टैक्टिक। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम अनबॉक्सिंग करने वाले हैं थ्रस्टमास्टर का T.Flight Hotas 4। तो चलिए देखते हैं अंदर क्या क्या है। तो ये है थ्रस्टमास्टर T.Flight Hotas 4। प्लेस्टेशन के लिए है फुल साइज डिटैचेबल थ्रोटल, डुअल रूडर सिस्टम, एडजस्टेबल स्टिक रेजिस्टेंट, रूडर करेक्टर RJ12, थ्रस्टमास्टर रूडर करेक्टर 4। और मेरे लेफ्ट साइड में है कुछ इस तरह सा, और मेरे बैक साइड में है कुछ इस तरह सा। तो इसमें जो है आप एडजस्टेबल स्टिक रेजिस्टेंट डुअल रूडर सिस्टम बाय रोटेटिंग हैंडल, ये है रियल लाइफ पायलट स्टिक थ्रोटल, और इसमें है कुछ फंक्शन जो आपको जॉयस्टिक में मिलेंगे, वही फंक्शंस है। इसमें ऑप्शन का बटन है, यहाँ पे कुछ LED लाइट्स है, और बैक साइड में इसका कुछ एक्सटेंशन कुछ बड़ा भी कर सकते हैं। और इसके बैक साइड में ये जॉयस्टिक रेजिस्टेंट के लिए। वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस। तो हमारा इंस्टॉलेशन हो चुका है, लग चुके हैं दोनों। अब चालू करते हैं प्लेस्टेशन। इसमें एक और ऑप्शन है VR का, तो VR में हमारे पास नहीं है।
Radar sight still silent. Rebel, get those birds in the sky. Sitting duck. What's happening? Bombers incoming. Don't know how many.
Let's clear that runway. We don't got all day here.
Base Squadron, head to runway. Column Squadron, take off. Link to Skykeeper. Hurry, Mage Squadron. Your call sign is Mage 2. and feedback. Page 2, clear for takeoff. The situation is tight. It's a hell of a welcoming party, but we have faith in you. Good luck.
Control, do me a favor and get that bird into your ASAP.
Hear that? Golf Squadron and your wingmen are airborne. Take off and form up with Page 1. Page 2 altitude restriction is lifted. Good luck.
The carrier. Whoa, looks like the harbor's taking a lot of damage.
Can't have any more casualties. Time to stop the bullshit. Mage 2, form up with Mage 1. All aircraft, let's do this. Golem Squadron, it's go time.
Roger that.
Go for understood.
This is the AWACS Skykeeper. Take down all unidentified bombers. They don't have many escorts. They hit our radars hard in the last attack. Expect the worst and stay sharp.
Welcome. Trigger, I'm your wingman. Fly with me now. That's what it means to be in an element. You gotta keep an eye out for enemy bombers. Okay, here we go. Looks like bombers have been located. It's showtime, Trigger. Let's see if you can handle the spotlight.
Enemy bomber confirmed down. Good job, Mage 2.
Not bad, Mage 2. Trigger, switch your radar. See if you can locate the enemy. Let's go introduce ourselves.
Harbor fuel storage is intact. It's asking for another round. All instruments rolling for another attack. Point is 835. Enemy missile cruising. Breaking.
Watch out for the support aircraft.
Final training agent.
It's chow time.
Target confirmed down. Looking good, Mage 2.
Fine, spot. He's fine. Box 2. Box 2.
Mage 2, target's in range. There are bombers.
Trigger, stay calm. You got this. I know the kid's shown some promise, but let's remember, he's still barely got his feet wet. Don't forget your special weapon.
Missile hit. Mage 2, target down.
You knock him out with your special weapon. Use it when you need to.
Enemy bomber down. Nice going, Mage 2.
Not too shabby, Mage 2. You still got a long way to go, kid. I'll give you some pointers back in base so we can make it in one piece. Skykeeper, this is Mage 1, over. Tally 2 bandits.
Copy that. It's a bomber and an escort.
Whoa there, Trigger, settle down. Mage 2, maintain your element with Mage 1. Do not break off. Mage 1, make sure he doesn't do anything stupid. Wilco. Golem 2, let's maintain element.
Copy that, Commander. I've got your 6 covered, sir.
Radio.
Column, Mage, 2 new enemy groups.
HQ, attention all combat groups. Are there any drones? Verify.
Drones? Are you kidding me right now? Jesus, this is the kind of shit that really chaps my ass. UAVs? I can't tell them apart.
Target lock. Firing. Harbor facilities and carriers destroyed. Combat begin to go.
hesitating for a split second could be the difference between life and death. Stay sharp, think fast.
Roger that.
Enemies marked. Column 2 is taking fire.
Page 2, locked.
Column 2, missile closing. Enemies on me.
Target destruction confirmed.
Column 2, on your 6.
Target is in range of guns. One remaining.
Page 2, keep your focus. You got this.
To Column and Mage, job well done. All bombers are down. Our radar shows no sign of bandits. You're in the clear.
Good going, Mage 2. Flight Commander looks like he's got what it takes. Let's slow down. It's just one sortie. Don't try to be a hero. I want you to make it back in one piece, you hear?
Yeah, I gotta side with the boss man on this.
Column Squadron, this is HQ. Did you confirm any drones?
What's the deal with all the drones?
Column 1, return to base and report for debriefing.
I am Princess Rosa Cosette Delise of the Kingdom of Erusia. Citizens of Erusia.
Trigger, your call sign is Mage 2. Verify and read back. Mage 2, clear for takeoff. It's a hell of a welcoming party, but we have faith in you. Good luck.
Control, do me a favor, get that bird in the air ASAP.
Hear that? Column Squadron and...
ऑल डन। तो वीडियो हो गया हमारा एंड। लाइक माय वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। तो मिलते हैं कुछ नए वीडियोस के साथ। सी यू सून इंशाल्लाह। अल्लाह हाफिज़।